The Fixed Asset Roll Forward Report in Dynamics 365 Finance is a great example of electronic reporting in action. ER allows you to configure and generate reports without writing code, making reporting flexible and user-driven. This report uses ER to pull asset data, opening balances, additions, disposals, and depreciation, and outputs it in Excel for easy analysis. Let's walk through how to access, run, and export this report using ER configurations.
In this video, we'll explore the process of running the Fixed Asset Roll Forward report and then exporting the report to Microsoft Excel from Dynamics 365 Finance. Let's navigate to Fixed Assets Inquiries and Reports Transaction Report. Fixed Asset Roll Forward. The Fixed Assets Roll Forward report provides fixed asset data details in an easy-to-read Excel format for closing, financial statements, and tax reporting. On the page that appears, enter your selection for the report in the Parameters section. Select the From Date and To Date fields for the report date you want to run. Next, choose a currency. We'll select Accounting Currency in the Format Mapping field. Choose the Fixed Asset Roll Forward configuration that has already been configured for use. This report uses the electronic reporting framework to generate the report. Before you can run the report, the Fixed Assets Model and Fixed Asset Roll Forward configurations must be imported from the Microsoft Dataverse repository. This is generally done by an administrator and made available to end users. You can filter the report by choosing records to include in the next section of the page. You can also set the report to run in recurrence by using batch processing. Select OK. The report now generates and creates an Excel file based on the parameters you just set. Open the downloaded Excel file to view the Fixed Asset Roll Forward report. You can view the report and manipulate it in Excel to best meet your business requirements. The Excel report provides beginning and ending balances for each fixed asset, along with period activities such as acquisition, disposals, and depreciation. Values are detailed at the asset level and summarized by fixed asset group and legal entity. This report is a great example of the data extraction and formatting capabilities of electronic reporting.
Electronic reporting makes financial reporting simple and adaptable. With the Fixed Asset Roll Forward report, you can quickly review asset movements and export clear, structured data without writing a single line of code.